This tutorial is for Skype installation on Windows platform, which is very popular for doing the video chat and voice calls between computers, tablets, mobile devices, the Xbox One console, and smartwatches over the internet. Let's search download Skype on Google and click on second link available on Google result. Press Get Skype for Windows. Press Save to download or cancel it. Skype Setup or X will be downloaded into the download folder of computer. Search Skype Setup file. Click to open the software. Skype software might be asked for permission or installation will be started. Just follow the instruction according to this video and press Next and Next. When Skype pop-up shows Welcome for Skype, it means Skype installed successfully on PC. When Skype pop-up shows Welcome for Skype, it means Skype installed successfully on PC. Now after the Skype installation, next steps to log in into the Skype to use it properly. For this, you must have a Microsoft account. If you don't have, then create a new Microsoft account. It's free. Let's provide the Microsoft user ID and password to log in into the Skype. After entering the user ID and password, press Sign In. Skype will ask for first name and last name that will be displayed in the Skype contact list to the other friends. Press Next. And very soon, you will see your Skype will start initializing. Add your profile picture, if you like it. Test your audio device, if it is connected with your PC. Check your camera device if it is connected with your PC. Now installation and setup of Skype is done. Check more Skype-based videos in the Panda Tech Tips for doing the audio, video and chat call with your friends, relatives and contact members. It's just need internet connection. Now this tutorial is end. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, then consider to subscribe the channels. Please keep liking, commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.